What's the best way to monitor and update my Dell PowerEdge server to keep it up and running smoothly?
How do I become aware of and manage problems if they occur when I'm not physically close to the system, say at night or when I'm traveling?
I want to maintain the health of my servers and my business.
I have to find and apply updates while keeping my servers secure and uncompromised by the internet.
How can I decrease time and effort I'm currently spending on maintaining our IT systems so we can focus more of our resources on expanding our business?
At Dell, it's about you, our customers. With every generation of PowerEdge servers, we meet with our customers to understand their most pressing business and IT issues. Dell has made significant advances in addressing your most pressing business issues through the use of innovative technologies. We continue to expand our embedded management functionality to help you more efficiently deploy, monitor, maintain, and update the health of your PowerEdge servers like never before, regardless of whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, on or off the network. How is this possible? Dell took the lead in delivering unique embedded system management in our PowerEdge servers, and now we're taking it to the next level in iDRAC 7 with Lifecycle Controller. iDRAC 7 delivers powerful, easy-to-use, anytime, anywhere management that speeds deployment, simplifies updates, and provides comprehensive monitoring and maintenance functionality. Just as a doctor helps diagnose health problems, think of iDRAC 7 as your company's IT doctor who knows how to ensure your system's health in order to maximize your system's uptime and performance. It also works with the Intel Xeon Processor E5 2600 product family's intelligent management features to optimize PowerEdge servers' power management for peak health. And because it's embedded and agent-free, it does all of this without disturbing the application running on your Dell system. iDRAC 7 with Lifecycle Controller is designed to reduce the time and number of steps it takes to manage servers by automating many of the tedious administration and configuration tasks, such as server deployment. Because iDRAC 7 is embedded, it is available in a pre-OS environment. This means it's accessible even before the operating system is installed. This adds flexibility when provisioning servers and customizing them to meet specific production requirements. The work to update the hardware or install the OS is also minimized, helping you save time and increase productivity. By automating these tasks, Dell's iDRAC 7 with Lifecycle Controller helps you get your server up and running faster, more efficiently, and without the potential for human error on configurations. Unlike a physician's hard-to-read handwriting, this doctor's reports are clear and comprehensive. In the unlikely event there is a problem with your server, you're quickly alerted in a clear, consistent, easy-to-understand language, driven by customer feedback via SNMP traps and Dell's industry-first enhanced error messaging format. Email alerts are also available and include detailed information, such as the issue, server name, service tag, and even server location. Also, the email contains links to open the iDRAC user interface or the virtual console to view more information and with tips on how to diagnose the ailment. You can also drill down and get more detailed reporting, including hardware and firmware inventory, as well as monitor your system's health. When the treatment requires replacement of a component, iDRAC 7 Enterprise with Lifecycle Controller will automatically detect the replacement of a component and apply the necessary firmware version and previous configuration. It can even restore a motherboard, including service tag and MAC addresses, to its configuration from a previous backup. This is a unique capability for Dell systems. In systems without embedded management, their scheme is a manual process of locating and applying potentially hundreds of separate and distinct parameters, depending on the size and configuration of the system. With PowerEdge Server and iDRAC 7 Enterprise with Lifecycle Controller, you can save yourself time, effort, and the risk of configuration errors, which can result in costly downtime. IT administrators can enable iDRAC 7 with Lifecycle Controller to continually communicate with support.dell.com to check for recommended updates. If the administrator chooses, iDRAC 7 will download the selected updates in the background, and they can be applied at a time that is convenient for the administrator, like after work hours. A history of all changes in an audit log allows you to quickly get clear, concise systems history information when you want it. iDRAC 7 with Lifecycle Controller can even communicate with Dell's Repository Manager, which gives you a secure proxy in order to apply updates behind your firewall. No need for your secure servers to be exposed on the grid at any time. And when you're away from the server, in another room, another building, this doctor makes house calls and allows you to monitor and control your system anytime, anywhere, more securely than ever. Also, IT admins can log in securely using Active Directory or LDAP credentials and two-factor authentication. By lessening the number of tools and streamlining operational tasks and processes, it is going to reduce complexity. By optimizing your productivity when managing your IT assets, it will help you control costs. It will reduce time spent managing your system and greatly increase time spent on building your business.
I'll be able to save time, automate to reduce our downtime, and minimize potential for human error. Hey, this is big news.
What I like is that it's going to allow us to do what we care about most. Focus on our company's productivity and business growth instead of IT administration.